In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the fingerprint option not showing on your Android phone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you are facing this problem on your Android where the fingerprint is not showing and in the phone settings there is no fingerprint option available, then what you have to do is to go to your phone settings. Since there is no fingerprint option showing in the settings, therefore you need to scroll down and go to system. Click on system updates, and from here you need to make sure that the latest Android update is installed. Once you have updated your phone and the fingerprint option is still not showing, then you need to go back and click on this reset phone option. Then click on this erase all data. This will basically erase all your data on your phone and set your phone to factory settings. And once you have done that, your problem will be solved and fingerprint option will start showing. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.